We have been evolving our screen sophistication over decades. First film, then TV, then internet, smartphones. We are very familiar with the sense of the figure on the screen as a living, breathing other, though we cannot smell or touch them. Images arise from and impact the body in this screen-to-screen meeting. Mirror neurons converse. Light, too, is part of the intersubjective field and affects the mood of the encounter. Is the light poor or bright, slanting or dazzling? Is our client in shadow? I have realized that some of the potency of screen work builds directly on our capacity to imagine, to enter another world through the portal of our machines. And of course, screen life is also part of our culture now. A culture where fantasy, video games, distraction, and new realities, and particularly new versions of bodies, are evolving. This is the future. And how that is going to affect our embodiment is really, well, it's going to be very intriguing.